Dear listeners, welcome back. Today's topic is really interesting. We are talking about a huge trend on TikTok. People are sharing old photos of themselves. They compare those photos to how they look today. But this trend is about more than looks. It is about why we love the idea of change. The vocabulary today is clear and simple. You do not need a dictionary. Just listen, enjoy, and learn. Let's begin. Imagine this. You are scrolling through TikTok. A song starts playing. It is dramatic and beautiful. The screen shows an old photo. The person looks young, maybe a little awkward, maybe unsure of themselves. Then the photo changes. The same person appears again, but now they look completely different. They are confident. They are glowing. The caption says, "The glow-up is real." You watch it 3 times, then you save it, then you watch it again. This is happening millions of times every day. It is one of TikTok's biggest trends right now. People call it the before and after trend. The song behind many of these videos is called Prima Donna Girl. It is by a singer named Marina. The song is old, from 2012, but it feels completely new again. Here is a surprising fact. Videos with the Prima Donna Girl sound have over 4 billion views on TikTok. 4 billion! That number is almost impossible to imagine. But it tells us something important. People everywhere connect with this idea. The idea of becoming someone better. The idea of the glow-up. So what exactly is a glow-up? A glow-up means a big positive change. It can be physical, how someone looks. It can also be emotional, how someone feels inside. Maybe you lost weight. Maybe you found a new style. Maybe you stopped caring about what others think. All of these can be a glow-up. And here is the real question. Why are so many people obsessed with this idea right now? Why does change feel so exciting? Why do we love watching other people transform? Let's look closer. Let's talk about specific moments, real videos, real people, real feelings. One popular type of video shows a teenager, maybe 14 or 15 years old. The photo is a little embarrassing. Bad lighting, unusual clothes, a nervous smile. Then the next photo appears. That same person is now 22 or 23. They look stylish and relaxed. They look like they know exactly who they are. The comments fill up immediately. People write, "The transformation is incredible." Others write, "You were always beautiful." Some people simply write, "Goals." But not every before and after video is about beauty. This is the unexpected part. This is where things get really interesting. Some videos show a messy bedroom, then a clean one. Some show a failing grade, then a perfect score. Some show a hospital room, then a hiking trail. One video got over 12 million views. A woman shows 2 photos. In the first photo, she looks exhausted. She is sitting in a gray office. In the second photo, she is laughing. She is standing in a sunflower field. The caption says, "I finally quit. Best decision of my life. The comments are full of emotion. People write things like, I needed to see this today, or you gave me the courage to do the same. Think about it. A simple 2-photo video changes someone's life decision. That is powerful. That is the magic of this trend. Here is another angle that surprises people. Many creators are showing negative glow-ups on purpose. Yes, on purpose. They show themselves looking great in the first photo. Then the second photo shows them tired, messy, and real. The caption says something like, "After discovering coffee and deadlines." These videos also go viral. People love them because they feel honest, they feel human, they feel like a joke you share with a friend. So the trend has two sides. One side says, "Look how far I've come." The other side says, "Look how real I am." Both sides connect with people deeply. Both sides say the same thing underneath. I am changing. And that is okay. Now, here is the central question of this video. Why are we so obsessed with change right now? What is really going on? Let's think about the bigger picture. We live in a very fast world. Everything moves quickly. News changes every hour. Trends last only a few weeks. In a world that changes so fast, people feel pressure. Pressure to keep up, pressure to improve, pressure to always be becoming something better. The glow-up trend reflects this pressure, but it also gives people something hopeful. It says, change is possible. Your past does not define you. Here is a surprising psychological fact. Studies show that humans are naturally drawn to transformation stories. Even babies respond to before and after sequences. Our brains are wired to love change. Think about your favorite movies. Almost every great story is a transformation story. A character starts in one place, they end somewhere completely different. Cinderella, The Lion King, Rocky, even Shrek, all transformation stories, all glow-ups in a way. The TikTok trend is the same story, but it is real. It is you, or your neighbor, or a stranger, and somehow that makes it even more powerful. There is also a social element here. When you share your glow-up, you invite people in. You say, "This is where I was. This is where I am now." You are being vulnerable. Vulnerable means showing your true feelings, showing the difficult parts of yourself. It takes courage to be vulnerable, and people reward that courage. They comment, they share, they feel less alone. Because everyone has an old photo they are not proud of. Everyone has a past version of themselves they have moved beyond. This is universal. It does not matter what country you are from. It does not matter how old you are. The desire to grow, to change, to improve, that is deeply human. But here is something worth thinking about carefully. The trend can also create pressure, not just hope. When you see hundreds of glow-up videos every day, you might start to feel like you are not changing fast enough, like your life is not interesting enough, like you are stuck. This is the shadow side of the trend. The same videos that inspire you can also make you feel small. Researchers call this social comparison. We compare ourselves to others constantly. Social media makes this comparison faster and stronger. So the glow-up trend is both a mirror and a window into other people's transformations, a mirror showing you your own. And sometimes what you see in the mirror feels uncomfortable. The key is to remember one thing. Everyone's timeline is different. Your glow-up does not have a deadline. So, where does this leave us? We started with a simple TikTok video, a song, 2 photos, a caption. But we found something much bigger. We found a generation that is obsessed with change. Not because they are vain, not because they are shallow, but because change gives people hope. The before and after trend, the glow-up videos, they are really just modern versions of an old human story. I was lost, now I am found. I was struggling, now I am stronger. And Prima Donna Girl, that 2012 song playing over millions of videos, it keeps coming back because it captures something true. The desire to be seen, the desire to be someone. Here is something worth remembering. You do not need 4 billion views to have a real glow-up. Your transformation does not need an audience. It just needs to be real, to you. The most important before and after comparison is the one you make privately. When you look back at who you were and feel grateful for who you are becoming. That is the real glow-up, not the photo, not the views, the quiet, private knowledge that you are growing. So the next time you scroll past a glow-up video, pause for a moment, not to compare, but to remember. Change is possible for everyone, including you. And the most powerful transformation always starts not with a new look, but with a new thought. Before you go, let's review the most important words from today's video. The first word is glow up. A glow up is a big positive change in how someone looks or feels. In our video, millions of people share their glow-up stories on TikTok. The second word is trend. A trend is something that becomes very popular very quickly. In our video, the before and after trend spreads across TikTok worldwide. The third word is obsessed. If you are obsessed with something, you think about it constantly. In our video, we ask why people are obsessed with the idea of change. The fourth word is transform. To transform means to change completely into something different. In our video, creators transform from their old selves into new, confident versions. The fifth word is vulnerable. Vulnerable means showing your true feelings, even the difficult ones. In our video, sharing a glow-up video is a vulnerable act. The sixth word is viral. If something goes viral, it spreads very fast and gets millions of views. In our video, a woman's quitting her job video goes viral with 12 million views. The seventh word is comparison. A comparison means looking at 2 things side by side to see differences. In our video, the before and after trend is built on comparison. The eighth word is confident. Confident means feeling sure of yourself and your abilities. In our video, people in their after photos look relaxed and confident. The ninth word is timeline. A timeline is the order and speed at which events happen in your life. In our video, we learned that everyone's glow-up timeline is different. The 10th word is universal. Universal means true or felt by everyone, everywhere. In our video, the desire to grow and change is described as universal. Now, let's look at some phrases that real people use every day. The first phrase is, "The glow-up is real." This means the positive change is genuine and visible. In the video, we hear, the caption says, "The glow-up is real." Real life tip. Use this phrase when you notice a big positive change in yourself or a friend. For example, "You cut your hair and look so happy. The glow-up is real." The second phrase is, "I needed to see this today." This means something arrived at exactly the right moment and gave you comfort or motivation. In the video, we hear, people write things like, "I needed to see this today." Real life tip. Use this phrase in comments or messages when something inspires you at a difficult time. The third phrase is, "Your past does not define you." This means who you were before does not have to control who you are now. In the video, we hear, it says, "Change is possible. Your past does not define you." Real life tip. This is a very encouraging phrase. You can say it to a friend who feels stuck in old mistakes. The fourth phrase is, "Keep up." This means to stay at the same speed or level as something that is moving fast. In the video, we hear, people feel pressure to keep up. Real life tip, use keep up in many situations. Keeping up with news, keeping up with friends, keeping up with work. The fifth phrase is, it takes courage. This means something requires bravery. It is not easy to do. In the video, we hear, it takes courage to be vulnerable. Real life tip, use this phrase to acknowledge when someone does something difficult or brave. You spoke in front of everyone. It takes courage to do that. Thank you so much for watching today. You made it to the end, and that is your own kind of glow-up. Every video you watch, every new word you learn is a small step in your own transformation. If this video helped you, please subscribe. Next week, we explore another real-world trend in English. Same clear language, same curious spirit. See you then. Take care of yourself and keep growing.